First shots with the TriStar over-under. Brand new.
Very, very beautiful gun. This is actually wood-stocked Turkish walnut.
In this range, but we've been having a really great time shooting it.
Hands, as you can see, are really, really good. You can carry that. You can carry this all day.
Number 8. Stevens 334 Walnut, $450. The Stevens 334 Walnut stands out as a reliable and user-friendly shotgun, notable for its 3-lug design and 60-degree bolt lift. This configuration ensures a surprisingly smooth and easy operation, allowing shooters to handle the firearm effortlessly from the shoulder.
Very, very beautiful gun. This is actually wood-stocked Turkish walnut. Let's go ahead and take a look at the trigger pull on this. Very nice trigger for a fairly economy rifle right out of the box.
The 3-lug design enhances the overall reliability of the shotgun, providing a robust mechanism for consistent performance. An additional feature contributing to the versatility of the Stevens 334 Walnut is the inclusion of a Picatinny rail that spans the full length of the action. This design element facilitates the straightforward mounting of optics, making it easy for users to customize their shotgun with a variety of sighting options. Whether for hunters looking to attach a scope or enthusiasts wanting to add other optical accessories, the Picatinny rail simplifies the process and enhances the shotgun's adaptability to different shooting scenarios. Number 7. TriStar Setter ST, $550. The TriStar Setter ST stands out as an exceptional value proposition in the world of shotguns.
That's a brand new one, replaced from the company. Pretty good time in turning it around. First shots with the TriStar over-under. Brand new.
Priced at $550, it offers an affordable option without compromising on quality. And what sets it apart is the confidence instilled by a 5-year mechanical warranty. In an industry where warranties are often indicative of a manufacturer's faith in their product, a 5-year guarantee for a shotgun at this price point is noticeable. TriStar's commitment to providing a reliable and accessible shotgun is evident in the Setter ST. With a focus on affordability, it caters to the broad market, making it an appealing choice for both beginners and seasoned shooters. The inclusion of a 5-year mechanical warranty not only speaks to the manufacturer's confidence in the shotgun's durability, but also offers peace of mind to buyers, ensuring that any mechanical issues will be promptly addressed. In essence, the TriStar Setter ST combines affordability with a substantial warranty, providing an entry point into the world of shotguns without compromising on the assurance of quality and support, making it a compelling choice for a diverse range of shotgun enthusiasts. Number 6. Tracking Point Precision Guided Semi-Auto Series, $50,000. Tracking Point, an American company, has pioneered the development of high-tech rifles featuring precision-guided technology. Among their offerings is the $50,000 bolt-action 338 TP rifle, a cutting-edge firearm that seamlessly integrates advanced targeting systems with traditional bolt-action design. The hallmark of Tracking Point rifles is their precision-guided technology, which involves calculating the range to a target and optimizing the gun for unparalleled accuracy. This innovation is particularly evident in the 338 TP rifle, where the system provides shooters with real-time data, including distance, wind speed, and other factors, to ensure precise shot placement. Priced at $50,000, the bolt-action 338 TP rifle caters to a niche market of shooters and hunters who prioritize state-of-the-art technology and exceptional accuracy. The investment reflects the rifle's sophisticated features, making it a valuable tool for those with a keen interest in long-range shooting or specialized hunting scenarios where precision is paramount. Tracking Point's commitment to merging technology and firearms has positioned them at the forefront of the industry, offering enthusiasts an opportunity to experience a new era of precision shooting with the bolt-action 338 TP rifle. Number 5. Mossberg Patriot LR Tactical, $700. The Mossberg Patriot LR Tactical stands out as a precision rifle, marrying the reliable Patriot action with a configuration tailored for long-range tactical applications. This firearm's accuracy is a standout feature. demonstrated by its ability to produce an impressive .247-inch 5-shot group, as noted in a test by Editor-in-Chief Alex Robinson. The chambering in 6.5 Creedmoor, a popular choice for precision shooting, further enhances its long-range capabilities. Designed with a workmanlike ethos, the LR Tactical variant of the Mossberg Patriot is well suited for a variety of shooting scenarios. Its adaptability is underscored by the availability of other chamberings, including 308 Win and 6.5 PRC, catering to diverse shooter preferences and applications. The rifle's accuracy, coupled with the tactical configuration, makes it a compelling choice for precision shooters, hunters, or enthusiasts engaging in long-range shooting disciplines. The Mossberg Patriot LR Tactical exemplifies a harmonious balance between accuracy, versatility, and rugged design, making it a formidable option for those seeking a reliable and accurate rifle for various shooting endeavors.
In this range, but we've been having a really great time shooting it.
So it's a good package for those that want to get into the long distance.
This doesn't come with everything you see equipped, right? What does it come with?
Number 4. Marlin 336 Classic, $1,250. The Marlin 336 Classic in 30-30 Win is a nostalgic yet rejuvenated lever-action rifle that harks back to the classic era of firearms. Manufactured by Ruger in North Carolina, these rifles bring a touch of tradition into the contemporary landscape. The 30-30 Winchester cartridge, synonymous with lever-action rifles, has been revitalized in this model, offering a blend of old-school charm and modern reliability. The Marlin 336 Classic is a testament to the legacy of Marlin lever actions, and Ruger's commitment to quality is evident in the attention to detail and craftsmanship. The nostalgic connection to Marlin's history, particularly those produced in North Haven, Connecticut, adds to the sentimental value of this firearm. Despite its throwback design, the Marlin 336 Classic has been refined to meet contemporary standards. The incorporation of modern manufacturing processes by Ruger ensures that these lever actions are not just reminiscent of the past, but also boast enhanced durability and performance. The signature bullseye logo on the stock symbolizes the rifle's lineage and quality, embodying the essence of Marlin's storied history. The decision to produce these rifles in North Carolina, under Ruger's guidance, reinforces the commitment to American craftsmanship. In essence, the firearms landscape. Number 3. Fierce Firearms Carbon Rogue, $2,600. The Fierce Firearms Carbon Rogue, chambered in 6.5 PRC, presents a mixed performance based on the provided evaluation. While the rifle demonstrated reasonable accuracy with a 1.033-inch group, it fell short of achieving an outstanding result. This suggests that despite its potential, the Carbon Rogue did not deliver remarkable precision during testing. A notable issue arises with feeding reliability, particularly with the second round in the mag. The mentioned tilting problem impacts the smooth feeding of the rounds, leading to occasional malfunctions. Though described as a manageable issue, it detracted from the rifle's overall performance and user experience.
So this is a brand new lightweight design rifle by Fierce. So you have a beautiful 70-degree bolt, lots of room and space to jack the action. Hands, as you can see, are really good. You can carry that. You can carry this all day. These Fierce rifles all come with the Vixen Andy Dakota custom trigger.
This feeding concern is a noteworthy aspect that, if addressed, could potentially elevate the rifle's functionality and reliability. In rapid, while the Fierce Firearms Carbon Rogue possesses qualities such as its chambering in 6.5 PRC and carbon construction, the reported accuracy and feeding issues indicate areas for improvement. Addressing these concerns could significantly enhance the rifle's appeal and solidify its standing in the market for those seeking a high-performance firearm. Number 2. CVA Cascade XT, $800. The CVA Cascade XT stands out as a specialized rifle designed explicitly for extended range hunting. Its larger and heavier build caters to the needs of hunters who engage targets at longer distances, emphasizing accuracy and precision. The inclusion of a stout No. 5 contour barrel enhances the rifle's stability, reducing recoil and promoting consistent shot placement. Equipped with dual swivel studs on the forend, the Cascade XD offers increased versatility for hunters who utilize various accessories, such as bipods or slings. The radial muzzle brake further contributes to the rifle's recoil management, allowing for quicker follow-up shots and maintaining shooter comfort. The user-adjustable trigger is a noteworthy feature, enabling hunters to customize the trigger pull to their preferences, enhancing the overall shooting experience. With a focus on long-range performance, the CVA Cascade XD embodies a balance of construction and user-friendly customization, making it a reliable choice for those who pursue game at extended distances where precision and adaptability are paramount. Number 1. The Phaser Rifle, $250,000. The Personnel Halted and Stimulation Response Rifle, developed by the U.S. Department of Defense, is a groundbreaking non-lethal weapon designed for crowd control and perimeter security. Introduced to the public in the mid-2000s, its primary objective is to temporarily incapacitate and disorient targets without causing permanent harm. The Phaser rifle employs 2 separate laser beams, combining a low-power near-infrared laser with a visible green laser. When directed towards an individual, these lasers create a visual stimulus that is intense and disorienting, causing temporary vision impairment without causing eye damage. This non-lethal approach provides military and law enforcement personnel with an alternative to traditional firearms when dealing with situations where lethal force is not warranted. The development of the Phaser rifle reflects a growing emphasis on non-lethal technologies to address various security and law enforcement challenges. While its use is subject to ethical considerations and regulations, the Phaser rifle showcases ongoing efforts to advance weaponry that prioritizes incapacitation over lethality in certain operational contexts. That's all for this video, folks. See you next time.